I'm here to see you maybe too, because you are responsible for information for
And higher education.
in higher education, yeah. And maybe if you have interest, of course, to find some Pakistan to Bosnia to study in Bosnia with all costs, of course. No professors to come here or that you or doctors or in medicine.
To go global. The higher education department, when I took over some 4 or 5 months back, one of our agenda on the top of our policy is to have global linkages of our students, of our teachers, the professors and the lecturers.
Agreements between countries. I think in education it is
$3 to $4 billion of trade between the two countries.
Okay.
So anything that we do substantial between the two countries, government-wise or private-wise, it will